Let's review how to log in and log out of Leap. If you remember from the last video, Leap is the Polaris web-based application. To access, you'll need a computer, tablet, or other device with an internet connection and a Polaris login. Open an internet browser. Chrome is a recommended browser to use with Leap. Navigate to the Leap URL. If you're training, make sure you're using the training version of Leap. The URL is posted below. Notice how it has training in the URL. That tells us we'll be logging into training version of Leap. Okay, let's log in. Type in the domain and your username. While each username will be unique, everyone will use the same domain of CCS /. Next, enter your password and hit sign in. If you've mistyped your username or password, you will see an incorrect login message. Leap will allow up to 5 incorrect login attempts before temporarily locking the username for 30 minutes. If part of a multi-branch library, or you have a drive-through window, use the branch drop-down menu to select your current location. Then select the appropriate workstation from the workstation drop-down menu. More than one person can be logged into the same workstation at a time. An important thing to know about workstations is that they share some settings, the most notable one being printing options. For example, the workstation we're logging into right now is set up to print both checkout receipts and hold slips. If you're unsure about which workstation to use, check with your manager or your IT staff. Click Continue to finish logging in. This is where you'll see an alert letting you know if you're logging into Training Leap or Production Leap. Our alert tells us we're logging into Training Leap. It also lets us know when the data in Training Leap was last synced up with Production Leap. Typically, when working in Training Leap, staff will be working with outdated data. Okay, you're in. You can now search for records using the quick search box or the find tool, check in items, register new patrons, and more. Let's try logging out now. Before ending your Leap session, you'll want to make sure you've saved any changes you've made and close out of any open records. If you've been carefully updating a patron record, you for sure don't want to lose your work. Once that's complete, click on your username in the upper right-hand corner. A drop-down menu will open where you can select the Logout option. Leap will also remind you to save your work and close out of any records. Click Continue to confirm. You're now logged out of Leap and it's ready for the next staff member to come log in.